everyone. Ajiro workout is all about your chest muscles. Now chest ro dita major heads, upper pectorals, lower pectorals. Ako ahuri scientific way re कहले sternocostal head and clavicular head. So over what this next 1.5 hours I'm going to try to do 5 or 6 variations of exercises where I'll be focusing on how to develop this muscle groups. Ajiro je amara training execute kore ta na hoji Chintu. He's preparing for men's physique. So hope today's video is going to help you guys to train your pectoral. Now what you can see he's trying to do is basically stretch his pectorals. This is a very good way to stretch your pectoral muscles and eta sabu bele kariya katha before you start your workout. Now relax. Stretching kolu. The next thing which we are going to do is actually warm that area. One of the best exercises to warm your pectoral muscles is a crossover fly. So that is what we are going to do. That is it. Bring back. Don't close it. Push from here. Both the hands. Come on. Both the hands. So do push. Your chest up, chest up, chest up. No, not back. Up. Chest pull up, pull up. First do. Bend fully. Oh, that's it. Nice. Push. Now both लोगों बहुत भूल करते कि बहुत पच्चों को पढ़ाते exercise है. It is not a stretching exercise, it's a pushing exercise. So please remember. Now we are going to start with the first working set. For a beginner, I always choose a Smith machine, but 80 got expert train karibo an athlete. So what I am choosing to do is a incline dumbbell press. Incline dumbbell press में clavicular head ta आपका target. What time in day? Wait for 10 more days. Guys, remember you are not supposed to completely lock your elbows. Lock karibun, lock karibun. Down, up. That's it. Now we'll go for the second variation. जो सेकंड वेरिएशन आमे करिबु आमे फ्लैट डंबल प्रेस करिबु. फ्लैट डंबल प्रेस जगह लोक फ्लैट बेंच प्रेस भी करि परिबे किंतु डंबल प्रेस रे आइसोमेट्रिक मूवमेंट आ बेटर हुए तेणु एस्थेटिक सेंस पाई दिस इज अ बेटर एक्सरसाइज. दैट इज व्हाई आई चूज दिस. सो आई होप दैट यू गाइस विल लुक एट दिस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म एंड एग्जीक्यूट इट एज ही इज डूइंग इट. नाउ तमने खाली गोटे दिन केयरफुल रखिबो कि व्हेन यू ब्रिंग द डंबल्स बहुत लोक कॉल करते दे टेक इट वेरी वाइड. डोंट डू इट. Try to make the dumbbells land on your pectorals, and please when you press in an explosive manner, but remember that your joints, तुम्हारा joint completely ऊपर है lock हबनी. Don't go for a complete lock. Just keep the joints a little bit relaxed because you don't want the weight to fall on your joint. आमे थर्ड वेरिएशन को जीवा. थर्ड वेरिएशन होची से डिक्लाइन डंबल प्रेस मारिबो. डिक्लाइन डंबल प्रेस को आपण रिप्लेस करि परिबे विद अ डिक्लाइन बेंच प्रेस. डिक्लाइन डंबल प्रेस आपण को लोअर पेक्टोरियल्स को भलो शेप और सिमेट्री दवारे हेल्प करे. सो दैट इज व्हाट विल बी डूइंग. अगेन द सेम स्ट्रेटजी. यू पुश विथ एन एक्सप्लोसिव स्ट्रेंथ एंड यू डू नॉट टेक द लोड ऑन योर जॉइंट्स. सो सेटा सब बेले माइंड रखथिबे द लोड इज सपोज्ड टू बी टेकन ऑन द मसल्स एंड नॉट ऑन द जॉइंट्स. सो लुक एट हिम एंड ट्राई एंड लर्न. फोर्थ एक्सरसाइज टाइम बताया को जाऊँ. जनरली दिस पर्टिकुलर मशीन इज नॉट अवेलेबल एवरीवेयर. सो दिस इज अ ट्रेडिशनल बैक एक्सरसाइज. तो मैं चेस्ट दिन कहीं करूँ बिकॉज दिस मशीन कैन एक्चुअली बी यूज टू टार्गेट योर क्लाविकुलर हेड इन सच अ वे दैट नो अदर मशीन कैन. तो तुम मानकर जमी पर्टिकुलर मशीन ना तुम डंबल पुलओवर रे सेम मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन करने चेष्टा कर. से डंबल पुलओवर भी मुझे आउ गोटे वीडियो तुमको देखदेवी. किंतु अबिका देखो ये मशीन से केमती क्लाविकुलर हेड को टार्गेट कर. Go back, save to. Now see, he's trying to contract his clavicular head. Back. push down. So आपण देखी पाहतोय कि this is the particular head which is being contracted. We are not going too far, but we are going too down. Chintu, you can feel it? Okay, good, nice. Back. Come on. Nice. Nice. Now the next exercise in the series is the pec fly using a cross trainer. This will target your lower pectoral as well as your sternocostal head. So I think you can have a look and actually learn how this is executed. Please remember, again at the sake of repetition, I'm going to tell you that look at your elbow angles. They are not to be brought very close or very wide. It is to be kept at a moderate 45-degree angle. One of my favorite finishes for a chest workout is the pec deck machine. Aku loko butterfly bhi kohunde. Now, itaku please remember one thing, that you people also have to do this with utmost amount of care and caution, and try to engage your shoulder in the least possible way, so that the tension is continuously built on your pectoral muscles and not on your shoulders. How do you do it? You adjust the seat position in such a way that your shoulders and your pressing angles are always higher. So shoulder upar rahe and pressing angle lower rahe. So try that. Okay? Now let's see how he does it. Push. Chin down. Good. Push. Push. Come on. Push.